So this is HangTime at Knott's Berry Farm, and I would be lying if I didn't tell you folks that I am terrified. We are about to go up a completely vertical lift. Notice there is no shoulder restraint. We just have a seatbelt and a lap bar, and I am looking up at, oh my God, I better not look up. I'm not looking up. Okay, oh yeah, there's no way I can recommend this to any human being. This is terrifying. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. No. And we're holding and we're looking straight down into oblivion, and you cannot see this track all the way down because it goes past vertical. Oh my God. Oh my gosh! This is totally insane! The lights are chasing, it is so beautiful, but so terrifying! Woo! Oh my gosh, I'm weightless. This is really a gorgeous ride. And just like that, it's over. I'm 6 stars. That was scary. That drop, that was something else, right? You know, that was really an experience. I did not know what to expect. I've never been on a ride that dropped past vertical, meaning you go back behind you as you drop. And that was, for me, like my stomach.
Unbuckle your seatbelt.
But
Watch your
wow.
step and exit out to your left.
So now that I've been on it, I can say I do recommend it, even though I said on the way up I couldn't possibly. That was amazing. Will I do it again? Maybe not for a couple of days. I might need a little reset, but I loved it.